All right, my people, it's back to back, like what I told you before now. Yes, like what I told you before now about this very guy, this matured, nonchalant Professor S. I told you before now that this guy, he not verify his videos. He does not even do, he does not verify his video or anything or do investigation towards videos before he posts. All his aim is just to chase crowd or chase followers or search for followers. And he wants to be popular by all means. Yes, IMC, ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to make him more popular. Yes, so the person of Prof S, I know you might be wondering, where did I come from, whatever. The other young man that called ladies and gentlemen, I not get joy. I don't have happiness towards anybody insulting any man of God. There is a video that has been trending online since yesterday. And this video is all about a lady called Ruth Mathew. And this issue happened December 20th, 2019. That was 2 years ago. About a lady called Ruth Mathew, who is a cripple, that said he has 3 children, before children, and in one way or the other, one of the child was missing in the church of... before any other issue, let me not just bore you with so much words. First of all, watch this video.
Why you not tell us say you carry your stepdaughter follow go the church?
Sir, I am sorry 100%. I'm 40 because even myself I blame myself. I'm sorry for that, sir. Sorry for that.
She's in charge of the zone.
As we carry the complaint go there, let us first find out the circumstances surrounding the missing child. All the people she mentioned, she alleged to have hands in the missing were invited, about 20 of them. To some extent, our sister here were found not consistent with the truth.
Okay. Not consistent with the truth.
Not consistent
with our story.
With our story, sir.
Okay.
But still, the question that remains unanswered is, the child is missing.
But make we understand the true circumstance will lead to the... You understand? Yes. Make we understand how the pikin take loss. Make we understand whether na lie she dey lie on top of Prophet Jeremiah. Whether na lie she dey lie on top of the church. Make we understand. We here, we know they support anything 110% like that until the truth come out.
It was from there.
And part of the statement shows say the stepdaughter
who is 18 years
follow her go to church.
Go church.
And according to that 18 years old girl follow, and when I know say our sister here no mention say she carry adult follow body. And according to what I hear, now right from when they did there, now I begin receive update. The lady in question, that adult, that her stepdaughter, according to what I hear, I know they there. She confirmed say then they there. Then all of a sudden one woman come inside keke na pep. Come they ask of where then they say Indomie.
Every day, she sent the daughter to go and wash, according to her.
The stepdaughter?
The stepdaughter.
To go and wash what?
And wash clothes, according to her. But when the daughter came, she said no. Not the clothes she will send her to wash, to go and grind pepper.
Okay. When I don't hear this version, make we hear from her why she no tell us the truth.
Yes, sir.
No, open your mouth. Take microphone close to your mouth because your mouth sharp.
Yes, sir.
So why you no tell us say you carry your stepdaughter follow go the church?
I'm sorry for that, sir.
Well, that is one. Number two, why you no mention going to one woman where you hear say they ask for where then they say Indomie, and you no talk say you send Triumph
and testimony
to go and what?
Show the woman.
Show her.
My own be say here, Now the truth
Yes, sir.
we want and nothing but the truth.
Yes, sir.
No be place to destroy anybody.
Yes, sir.
No be place to intimidate anybody. And you cannot use us to destroy somebody.
Sir, I am sorry 100%. I'm 40 because even myself, I blame myself.
So we need to know this where she lives and where they allege this incident happened. She resides outside the Mercy city.
Who direct her there? Madam, the place where you go stay now outside the Mercy city.
Now the chief security now show me that place. Say this place. All now Prophet Jeremiah get this place. So madam, you are safe here. Before I can't go inside Mercy city, can't go lodge for here for 1 week. When the money can expire, I say go back to your lodge. Now the chief security, sir, I don't know any place for worry. I'm a stranger there,
Okay.
sir.
Mercy City is well fenced and has all necessary amenities for visitors' satisfaction, from the restaurant to the laundry service and even healthcare services, distant and differentiated from the other community. And our visitors don't have anything to do with the outside community, as we have all needed for their daily activity and Remember, on her previous appearances, she held on to the fact that Juliet was with her children at the children's section.
Tell me, I no come see pikin again. When I even call, they shout, they cry. Mona help me, I no see pikin again. No, where I put on security, they there. Oh, when your name be na Juliet. The pikin play with the security. Oh, I hold the woman. Give me my pikin. Now you carry pikin. Before I know, the Jeremiah come, he order me out.
That's the prophet.
Yes, he say, take her out from this compound. He won't destroy my ministry. Oh.
The children are be how managed.
They where they keep children because that's on Monday.
Oh, you get where they keep children.
Yeah, security they there where they for they keep children.
Now man have been a woman be the
Now
security.
woman, his name na be Juliet. He
Okay.
dey there.
Other people children they there.
Other people children dey there.
Them too they come on, they wait to climb mountain.
They know they allow children climb mountain.
No, I mean the parents of the children.
Yes.
Now, what happened to the first story of the children at the children's section with Juliet? Why is Juliet missing in this new story?
I'm 40 because even myself, I blame myself. That on that fateful day, truly, I know the day when the two women come. Now, Triumph they come with rough body, say, with that Pepsi. Immediately, I collect and say, where is testimony? He say, one woman come here, come carry keke nape, carry and go. And I no come talk am for years, sir. Now, what he tell me be that when I come to find out, they no come listen to me, they no even come help me, even look for the anything.
What about the workers she claimed that gave eye signals and pushed her out? So how can these two stories be connected? From Juliet at the children's section with the children to a woman carrying the child inside keke outside the church premises. Remember when she said she took only 4 children to Mercy City?
We now go together with my 4 children.
All of the 4 children.
Yes, sir.
Boys are big girls.
Boys, I don't have girls.
All of them are boys.
All of them are boys.
Okay.
Now she has agreed to taking her 18-year-old stepdaughter with her, making them 5.
Follow. And when I know say our sister here no mention say she carry adult follow body. And according to what I hear, the lady in question, that adult, that her stepdaughter, according to what I hear, I know they there. She confirmed say then they there. Then all of a sudden one woman come inside keke nape. Madam, you hear what they talk?
Yes, sir.
No, open your mouth. Take microphone close to your mouth because your mouth sharp.
Yes, sir.
So why you not tell us say you carry your stepdaughter follow go the church?
I'm sorry for that, sir.
How many of you now go to church that day?
4 of us.
You and who and who? Talk to the mic.
My 3 brothers plus me plus my mother.
Una enter the church.
Yes.
You sure say una no forget your other brother for inside motor as una drop?
We don't forget them.
Who hold them for hand enter the premises?
Me.
Now you. So you sure say una enter with your junior brother?
Yes.
Remember, and you no talk say you send Triumph
And testimony.
and testimony to go and what?
Show the woman.
Show her.
Did you just hear that? She was the one who sent Triumph and testimony to follow the woman. So why did she say earlier that the child disappeared from the children's section that doesn't even exist?
See pikin again. When I even call, they shout, they cry. Mona help me, I not see pikin again. Oh, where I put on security, they there. Oh, when his name be na Juliet. The pikin play with the security. Oh, I hold the woman. Give me my pikin. Now you carry pikin. Before I know, the Maya call me. You order me out.
That's the prophet.
Yes.
After hearing this, why would she hold such vital information for so long? Observe that the police officer said a woman came with keke to take the child, but here she is saying 2 women. How did you know, since she claims she was not there? Do you agree now that she is lying? The officer also reiterated, stating that after examining the issue, Ruth Mathew has not been consistent with the truth.
Our sister here were found not consistent with the truth.
Okay. Not consistent with
Not
the truth.
consistent
With our
truth.
story.
Now that you have watched the video, let's check out the differences or compare. Let's compare and contrast some of the lies inside the video. Where she was asked that, how many children did you come with? She said 3. And her son said 4. Just watch the video again.
So why you not tell us say you carry your stepdaughter follow go the church?
I'm sorry for that, sir.
Remember, her son also confirmed that they were just 4 children. Imagine her son also lied.
How many of you now go to church that day?
4 of us.
You and who and who? Talk to the mic.
My 3 brothers plus me plus my mother.
Una enter the church.
Yes.
You sure say una no forget your other brother for inside motor as una drop?
We don't forget them.
Okay, now that you have watched the video, you see the comparison of the lie between the mother and the son. Now, apart from that lie, another lie is there that she also lied by telling that she carried the little boy that was missing. She gave the little boy that was missing to the security in the church called Juliet.
I put on security, they there. Oh, when his name be na Juliet. The pikin play with the security. Oh, I hold the woman. Give me my pikin. Now you carry pikin. Before I know, the Maya call me. You order me out.
That's the prophet.
Yes. He said, take her out from this compound. He won't destroy my ministry. Oh.
The children are be how managed.
They where they keep children, because that's on Monday.
Oh, you get where they keep children?
Yes, security they there where they for they keep children.
Now man have been a woman be the
Now
security.
woman, his name na be Juliet. He
Okay.
dey there.
Now, what happened to the first story of the children at the children's section with Juliet? Why is Juliet missing in this new story?
I'm 40 because even myself, I blame myself. That on that fateful day, truly, I know DJ when the 2 women come. Now Triumph they come with rough body, say with that Pepsi. Immediately I collect and say, where is testimony? He say, one woman come here, come carry keke nape, carry and go. And I no come talk am for years, sir. Now what he tell me be that when I come to find out, they no come listen to me, they no even come help me, even look for the anything.
What about the workers she claimed that gave eye signals and pushed her out? So how can these 2 stories be connected? From Juliet at the children's section with the children to a woman carrying the child inside keke outside the church premises.
Then later on, she later said she left the baby under the bamboo tree in the church premises. Another matured lie. So there is an amateur video in the police custody where and that of a Pastor Ima who brought her inside the church. So talk what.
When she asked me that, please, Pastor, we will give you money. I said, if you have money, why can't you use that money to take care of it? You came here, you told me you are owing 950,000 naira, that you are a sales rice in your community. That is your business. So and the house rent. So based on this pressure that you cannot stay in the house. So that is why you want this man of God to give you money precisely, to help you. And if this don't happen, you will not go. And the same you, every day I continue to confront her that those women, don't you know them? She would tell me something different today. Tomorrow she tell me another different thing again. She was one that opened her mouth and told me that she knows those women. I said, how do you know them? She says she knows them within that environment. Now, I said you know those women, and now you are the same person who is now complaining that you don't know them. In fact, at a point, this same man and this woman began to quarrel. She said he is the one that knows is with the baby because he refused her to come with the children to Mercy City. He says she provide. So within that, I am the one in their midst that I say, God, if the child is really missing, God will provide this child for us. Let's keep on praying. Till that faithful day, they want to go to station. I think they went to station and come back. It was the evening I was coming to the house. I heard this Ruth with her own mouth was saying that she must bring back my child, that this is not our arrangement. That's why I confronted this Ruth. Said, so you know where your child is and you're punishing us, punishing everybody. I told this man there, I said, you people know where your baby is. And now look at what you're doing to people. And now look at me and say, man, you say, you will give me money to join you. I said, don't call my line again. The main bulk of issue is that the plan of this young lady, I believe her plan has failed her. The baby that she's looking for is with this Ruth.
Because I'm actually doing all this analysis, just because of process, because it's not always updated. Because once you just wake up, you begin to insult different men of God. This was what you did the other time. You said Chris Okafor, you said you insult Pastor Chris Oyakilome, you insult TB Joshua. That is saying you will also be talking about Pastor Adeboye and Pastor Oyedepo. What is your problem? Thank God I am not a man of God. Me MC, ladies and gentlemen. Thank God I'm not a man of God. But the truth of the matter, since I'm not a man of God, I have personally dig in all the details about what happened 2 years ago on this very issue of this crippled woman, the person of Ruth, Mathew. No, I know why I'm saying this, because if you are thinking I'm lying, yes, put the police investigation report. Put on, look at it. From the Nigeria police force that have came in to investigate the issue between Ruth, Mathew, on the missing child in Christ Mercy Land, which is the church of Prophet Jeremiah Motofufeyi. Put it, because some people will be thinking it's fake or whatever, but see the original copy here, because I have decided on my own to come in into this issue, because it's yesterday that I have watched the video of this Prof S talking about insulting great men of God. I want to put an end to it. Enough is enough of such character. To tell you that Nigeria police actually came into this issue because it's a global issue, and they investigated this issue very well. After all said and done, that was when a lot of people, and the woman was begging, the person of Ruth Mathew was begging Prophet Jeremiah to forgive her and all that. And that was the reason she was never sentenced to prison or ikirikiri or okere, was because some of you will not understand what Prof S is doing. All he knows is to blaspheme and to condemn the name of men of God in Nigeria, while he abandons his own in Zimbabwe, seeking asylum in South Africa. On my own, I know the person of Prof S, because they look at the condition of the person of Ruth. Mathew is the crippled woman, the child is missing. That was why they did not arrest her at the other time. But you know what? Ruth Mathew, I believe this video is going to get to you. This guy where they call Prof S for South Africa, he don't post your video of wetin happen 2 years ago, where you take fuck up, how you take see your pikin dey your hand and everything. He don't go post your video. Take the gate follow us. They want tell people say Prophet Jeremiah is a bad man of God, or they want condemn the name of other men of God inside Nigeria. But what I see now, you the person of Prof S, it's as if you want to make this very woman, Ruth Mathew, go back to the prison. Or maybe you want Prophet Jeremiah Motofufeyi to go after this woman. But you know what? If the man of God, Prophet Jeremiah Motofufeyi, did not go after this woman due to the video you posted yesterday saying all blah, 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 blah towards Prophet Jeremiah on the issue of the woman, because I don't even understand. But you know what? The forgiveness where Prophet Jeremiah forgive you that time. See, if the man not come arrest you to go prison, me personally go carry lawyers as an activist to a Facebook influencer, a comedian, and an MC. So I go personally arrest you, because as we reason your condition, you not on the people not call the reason your condition, because they want to use your condition against the man of God for after you don't see your pikin. A woman called and was saying that this is not the first time. This is not the first time that a lot of children have been missing in Mercy Land, or in Christ Mercy Land. But look, let me tell you something. Apart from the police report from Zone 5, I also on my own dig deep into their CCTV and camera videoing in the church, and I have gotten 4 evidences of whereby 4 different women, because of money begging, just to aid money, because they heard that the man of God, Prophet Jeremiah, is actually helping. They will come to the church, abandon their children, then they begin to complain one way or the other. Now, please, before I talk more further, not 1, not 2, not 3, no, it's just 4 set of women who have come to the church of Christ Mercy Land to come and drop your children. Please watch the video.
There are still so many other occurrences of people trying to capture the attention of the man of God, like a woman who dropped her few months old baby outside the auditorium, but stayed close to see the outcome.
Where's the mother of this baby?
I don't know.
The woman is around. I want to trace her.
God is indeed present in our midst, as the man of God was able to trace the mother.
Listen to you.
It's my baby.
Why did you drop this baby here?
It's poverty.
Poverty.
I want you to help me.
Take her outside first. I will see you at the police station. Oh yeah? Take her to police station. Follow.
Under arrest.
Something that happened last night, right yesterday, and another woman came with her own child right in the mountain and hand over a child. The child, surprisingly, the woman said she want to go and now take water to drink. She now said, take this, my little child, keep it for me. I'm just coming. I'm coming back within a short time. And the other woman doesn't know. She now, took the baby. And when the woman left, that's how the woman gone. The woman did not return till this day. She left the baby with another woman. Who is this person?
She's the woman that abandoned her baby yesterday and ran away.
That is the woman that abandoned her baby?
Yes.
Yesterday and ran away.
I want to go and buy water for 1 hour.
Do you know that child?
Yes.
Huh?
It's my baby.
It's your what?
Baby.
Why you and your wife dump your baby right in Mercy City? Tell us. Till more than 24 hours. Till daybreak.
No money for visit.
Officers, please come and accompany them away from our territory.
A woman trying to strangle her baby was caught after the timely intervention of the people around.
This is your baby. What of the father? Then why you want to kill your pikin for inside church? You dey call? Who you dey call? Huh?
I called him yesterday. I never seen him until now.
So, is that why you want to kill this baby? Is that enough reason for you to come kill this pikin for the church?
So, by people, on the program and the video that Prof S posted yesterday, it was hereby the last woman who made a call and that he record was saying that this is not the first time of hereby children have been missing in Christ Mercy Land, which is the church of Prophet Jeremiah Motofofin. So for that reason, I want you people to watch a video of here 4 women have abandoned their children trying to earn money or to beg money from the man of God. Since the man of God loves helping people, watch this video first. And for you that called in on the program of Prof S that he posted the video, let me just tell you something. Let me just ask you this question. where can you please just give us or kindly give us more evidence, post more evidence, because on my own as an activist also I've also come into this issue of Prof S posting a video for Monday and on Tuesday. So for this reason, you that called on the last program, give us an evidence where you met a woman, or drop one evidence that where you see a woman who has lost his child in Christ's mercy land in the church of Prophet Jeremiah Mathew. Just drop one video. I'm going to go dirty on any of the persons who actually doing any video, talking anyhow about any man of God. Still watch out though, because I'm going to dig out back-to-back videos of how this Prof S, this ex-criminal that does not know the meaning of S, that have already expired out of content creating, will be digging out of it, all his videos. Prof S, I'll wait your next video, putting me at the front page of one of those charlatans. No, I'm charlatan, you're also a charlatan, so you are a drunkard. So you see, I take better past you. You are homosexual, I'm married. You can see my ring. I'm married, I'm not homosexual. You know, understand? You understand, man? So feel free to call me. The number is on the screen. Feel free to call me and give me more details. If you know, say you be member of Redeemed Christian Church of God, member of Winners, you be member of Prophet Jeremiah Mathew, you are a member of Synagogue Church of God of all nations, you are a member of Christ Embassy, and that also you are also a member of Pastor Ayo, Word of Life Bible Church. Any big church in Nigeria, you are a member and you are a Christian. Continue to help me dig the foundation and the secret of this very nonchalant Prof S who has expired, so that we go there, more with the help him popular, because he wants to become a celebrity in Nigeria. So we help him popular. So we move. Now God, now he passed them. Charlatans.